All right, you guys. So we're about to make some chicken cheesesteak egg rolls. And then so we about to heat that oil up and then go ahead and put your chicken breast in there. And I like these because they're already shaved. They're very thin. So we're just gonna go ahead and place it in there. We're just gonna only season it with some onion powder. Garlic powder with cilantro leaves. I love cilantro. Look at some white ground pepper. All right, so you're gonna put this like this. Make sure you have an edge pointing to you. And let's see if we can fill this puppy. American cheese and some triple cheddar. American and triple cheddar. Let's see. Let's see if we can roll this puppy. And it gives you the instructions on the back of the egg roll wrapper. Wow, you guys. Alright, so our first one is formed. Let's try this first. Then piece of cheese. This one's too bony. This one is way too tiny. We like our shit thick. Thick. Did you get it? I'm gonna freeze some. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap them all, and I'll freeze them so that way whenever I get hungry and I want one, I can just throw one on in there. Here's all our pre-rolls, and most of these we're gonna freeze. But we can go ahead and put some peanut oil in there, so that's nice and hot. Let's go ahead and drop these puppies in there. Make only these three.